Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove watermark or text from your video using InShot for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have already opened my InShot application and I'm going to open up the project I have just created, this one. And for example, I'm going to remove this text from my video. And if you want to do that, we need to duplicate our video first. You can click on your video and then scroll all the way to the right until you find the duplicate menu. And I'm going to make it as an overlay. So we can click on the switch button like this and you can make it align with your first video. And then the next one guys, you can click on the second video and we're going to add mask. Select the mask and choose the type of the mask. You can choose circle or rectangle, it's up to you, and I'm going to use the rectangle one. And we're going to take another part of this video to cover the text, and I'm going to take this part and click on the check mark, and you're going to drag the mask to cover the unwanted text. Okay, you can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks, and to make it looks more natural you can adjust the feather. I'm going to adjust the feather here. Wait, where's the feather? Okay, I'm gonna go back to the mask and okay, this is the feather. You can play around with the feather. Okay, it looks better, right? And to make it even more natural, you can use filter or adjustment. I'm going to go to the filter and select adjust, and then we can adjust the lightness. Okay, just a little bit. Okay, perfect. And this is the result. And let me play it. And I know guys, this trick cannot be applied to all types of video, especially when the video has more objects, or especially when the text is moving. But at least here I show you the trick. Okay, and that's how we can remove watermark from our video using InShot video editor. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.